Welcome to a modern factory where beautiful decorated ceilings are made.
Today, we will show you the complete process from raw materials to finished ceiling designs.
These ceilings are used in homes, offices, malls, and luxury interiors.
Each ceiling panel is carefully manufactured with precision and design.
Let us start from the very first step. Just moving salt.
The process begins with high-quality gypsum powder.
Metal and aluminum frames are prepared for strong support.
All materials are moved to the production line.
Gypsum powder is mixed with water using automated machines. This mixture creates the base for ceiling panels. Consistency is checked to ensure perfect strength.
Now the mixture is ready for molding.
Different molds are used for different ceiling designs.
The mixture is carefully poured into design molds. This step creates beautiful decorative patterns.
Vibration machines remove air bubbles for smooth finish. Panels are shaped evenly during movement. Workers ensure each panel is perfectly aligned. Surface quality is closely monitored.
Now the panels are sent for drying.
Controlled heat removes moisture safely. Panels are now strong and solid. Excess edges are trimmed using precision machines. Laser cutting adds clean and sharp details. Sanding creates a smooth and even surface. Dust is removed to keep the panels clean. A primer coat is applied for better paint adhesion. Panels are painted according to design requirements. Luxury finishes add beauty and elegance.
Some designs receive handcrafted detailing.
Every panel goes through quality inspection.
Size accuracy is extremely important.
Any imperfect panel is removed. Only perfect panels move forward. A protective layer increases durability.
Panels are packed carefully to prevent damage.
Strong packaging ensures safe delivery.
Boxes are sealed using automated machines.
Each package is labeled for identification. Forklifts transport packages to storage.
Finished products are stored in the warehouse.
panels are prepared for shipping. These ceilings are sent across cities and countries.
After installation, they transform any space.
Decorated ceilings add elegance and value.
They improve both beauty and acoustics.
Used widely in commercial buildings.
Perfect for luxury environments.
The difference is truly remarkable.
Skilled workers make this possible.
Technology and craftsmanship work together. Every detail matters.
This is how decorated ceilings are made. Like, share, and subscribe for more factory videos.
Crafted with care. Designed to impress.